Namaste to everyone. This is M. Srinivaslu, English faculty from DAV High School, RTP Township. Today we are going to discuss 15th reading comprehension from class 10th Unit 1 English with a reading titled Attitude is Attitude. At first I would like to read the lines before we get into the explanation part of it. He has visited different countries all over the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker and has traveled to over 24 countries, speaking to groups of up to 110,000 people. He moved to Los Angeles in 2007 and planned to continue to travel the world. In 2009, he visited South America and Middle East. In 2008, Karen Miyahara, a beautiful young girl whose mother was a Mexican, whose father was a Japanese, attended to a meeting where Nick was the guest speaker in Texas. Now, coming to the explanation part of it, let us just have a recapitulation of the previous lines to get it connected to this. Earlier we have been talking about that he was decided to move and inspire the people all over the world, and he was also had some records in the surfing by doing 360-degree spin, and he was also had his photograph appear on the cover page of Surfer magazine. And after that, we let us look at the further lines. He has visited different countries all over the world. So once he decided that he wanted to share his inspiration to the others, and he decided to give hope to the others, he continued to travel to different countries of the world. So this is natural that he don't want to be stagnated in one particular place, opening some session like that. He wanted to travel to the people where there is a necessity of giving his intellect, sharing his motivation to them. So he started going on his mission. Now further what else? The football fan is now a motivational speaker. So what now they have been talking about? Earlier he was loved football very much. So now the football fan, the particular football fan he wanted to be. So the particular football fan is now who is now here in the lesson, the protagonist of the lesson, Nick Vujicic. So Nick Vujicic earlier was the football fan. Now he became a great motivational speaker. Now he is a motivational speaker. People who lost their hope, they could not able to start their way of life in a better way. For them, we need to give some stimulation. We need to give some motivation. So he is a person who generally move them, inspire them with his motivational speeches. So he is a motivational speaker, started moving all over the world to give his motivational speeches and to inspire them. Right. And has traveled to over 24 countries, speaking to groups of 1 lakh up to 110,000 people. So what now he said? At that time, it is almost at 2000, I think some few years before. That is now 24 countries he was visited. At the time, the textbook was printed. By now, when you see at the present, it may be more number of countries added here. At the same time, more number of people he spoke to also got increased. I think you keep in mind. But examination point of view, you can write as it is information provided in the text in your answer, that's enough. However, for our better knowledge, we need to keep this in our mind. By that time, he has been completed nearly 24 countries he visited, and he even made his phenomena of speaking to people 110,000 people, more than 110,000 people. By now, this number might be more. You please have a note of it. Right. Now coming to this, he moved to Los Angeles. Los Angeles is one of the beautiful cities of America, and where more entertainment is seen according to people's ideology. There are more number of people who wanted to enjoy their life, they moved to Los Angeles, making themselves involved in entertainment. However, he moved to the Los Angeles, which is one of the popular cities of America. In which year? It was in the year 2007. In 2007, Nick Vujicic, he shifted from Australia to America and to the city called Los Angeles. And planned to continue to travel the world. Generally, if you have seen the spelling of it, planned, for example, PLAND also we can write. However, planned, it's a planned also we can say. Maybe he started roaming all over the world, moving all over the world by using his plane. That's of course, even more you can say he is planned to continue. Already had a complete plan of traveling all over the world, and moreover, it is the more fastest way to go to the different parts of the world. This time he made his own arrangement of traveling, so he could able to plan his travel in his own plane. That's what the point here. To continue to travel the world, to give motivational speeches. So in the year 2009, he visited South America and the Middle East. So I think you might understand, by 2007 he settled in Los Angeles and he started continuing there, and in 2009 he started going to the different kinds of, I think, going to different kinds of places in South America and even the Middle East to give his motivational speeches, right? So you just make note of it. And moreover, there is another year called 2008 also. So here 2007 he moved to Los Angeles, and 2008 now we are going to see, and 2009 he was visited South America and Middle East. Before that, before he went to visited to South America and Middle East, and there was something happened in 2008. So that is in 2008 there was a girl name mentioned here. Her name is Kane Miyahara. What is her name? Kane Miyahara. A beautiful young girl whose mother was a Mexican and whose father was a Japanese. I think you might know America is said to be called as the land of opportunities, and it welcomes the people all over the world to come to that particular country and to settle and continue their careers. So I think you might aware of this one. After it got invented, Columbus got invented this particular America, and after that people all over the world, they would like to make their lives settled or to seek their careers, they move to America. So maybe there are so many people in this point. Even today at the news called Kamala Harris, and she is now one of the contestants for the vice president post in American elections. She is also origin from, you can see, her mother from India, and it is also a point. So you keep in mind that it is America is a land of opportunities. People from all over the world go there and find their career. So in this particular, making their careers, they made two people met together. One from Mexico. So she is the nationality of Mexican. She is called as, and one from Japan, and he is a man is a Japanese. So her father from Japan and her mother from Mexico. So she is a Mexican. Her mother was a Mexican and father was a Japanese. These two people got married, and they had a daughter, and that daughter name called as Kane Miyahara. This is the point. So Kane Miyahara's mother was Mexican and her father was Japanese, and these two people daughter is Kane Miyahara. You understood? Anyhow, now move to the next one. Attended to a meeting where Nick was a guest speaker in Texas. So whenever he was giving a speech in Texas, I think the guest speaker. Speakers are common. Generally, you might know there are regular speakers at a particular place. Guest speakers are generally occasional. Occasionally, they come and visit people, and they deliver their speeches in connection to the age group and needs of the people. So he was the guest that is mentioned about the particular guest speaker in the meeting that they have conducted in Texas in the year for 2008. In that particular meeting, where Nick was invited there as a guest speaker, and there in the crowd, she was also one among Karen Yahara. So maybe it was further lines we may come across. She attracted towards the Nick's message. Sometimes people understand others in different way. Some people they attract towards their good appearance. Some people attract towards their good communication skills, and some people they look into for talent, some other like singing or dancing, other talents. And some people they wanted to see their economical settlement or good career. There are so many other needs that women look into or girls looking to select their life partners to settle in their lives. However, she was very much attracted the way that he is started his mission of motivating the people. So she wanted to become friend to Nick Vujicic. That is what the point here. Further also we are going to get it confirmed in the upcoming lines. So today I would like to introduce these two things to you. And first we have seen he started making his mission of giving speeches to people all over the world, and in the text that we have provided 24 countries he has visited and 1,10,000 people he approximately spoke to, but now that the number is known. And however, in 2007 he moved to Los Angeles, and 2008 he attended a meeting in Texas where he met a beautiful young girl called as Karen Yahara, and her mother was a Mexican and her father was a Japanese. In 2009 he also continued to travel to South America and the Middle East. Right? So that's all for today, my dear children, and we will meet in the next session with the upcoming lines. You keep practicing this one and you get ready for upcoming slip test also that I will be going to give you questions based on the videos that we have so far seen. So get ready, my dear children, and get prepared very well. All the best.